I love this. This is the 5-in-1 hair dryer. Let's see this bad boy, okay? Ooh, this is nice. Okay, and it comes 1, 2, 3. So those are the settings. Now this is supposed to curl. Curl. And this is a regular blow dryer. I'm gonna plug this bad boy. Okay. Let's try one of these. Let's try. Let me just remind you, first impression, first time using it, not bad. I think this you have to, there's 2 different heads. The air will grab it to go this way, and this one is for the air to go this way. So I'm gonna actually try another. All right, let's see. Shut up. Let's try to redo this one. Look at how curl, oh my God. Let's see. Oh my Lord. Little to no effort. I always wanted to try something like this because I saw the Dyson, right? But like, I wasn't gonna drop freaking $500. So since I'm gonna be going on this side, I'm gonna switch heads. It's a little hot and it does come with the glove too. So I'm gonna put this one in, locked in, and then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna go this way. It's so easy to use. I love it. My last one. Look at that. This is body. I mean, my hair. I've never had this kind of hair. What? My hair has never looked this good. I love it. Look at that. It's really easy to work with. One is for left and one is for right. They're the same size. This is like if you don't want to do anything with your hair, but you want to brush it like straight, or just regular blow dryer. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you are interested, click the link down below. Much love to you guys. Until next time.